This book is called Good Enough to Eat, A Kid's Guide to Food and Nutrition. It's by Lizzie Rockwell. We're going to read some of this book. We're not going to read all of it because we're going to come back to it on other days and read certain pages. So don't worry if I skip something. We'll come back later. Good Enough to Eat. Check out this great first end page showing lots of different foods and food groups. We're going to bring that back up later, and I'll even make a slide for you to see, okay? Here's our title page, Good Enough to Eat. Look, she drew it out of food. Babies cry when they're hungry. Dogs bark and howl. When you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles. Your legs feel weak. You don't cry or howl, but sometimes you feel cranky. In the nick of time, your dinner is ready. It looks good, it smells good, it tastes good. As soon as you eat, you feel better. Hunger sends you strong signals. It lets you know that eating is the most important thing you do each day. The food you eat and drink keeps you alive. It builds, protects, and energizes your body. Food makes you able to grow, think, breathe, move, stay cool, stay warm, fight germs, heal, live. Wow. Nutrients are the parts of food that your body uses to do its work. There are 6 different kinds of nutrients. You need large amounts of some nutrients and very small amounts of others in your diet. Every food contains at least one nutrient, but healthy foods have lots of them. Your body uses different nutrients in different ways. Digestion is the way food is broken down so that nutrients can be absorbed into your body. For healthy digestion, you should eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods supply fiber. Fiber does not get absorbed during digestion. It helps carry bad chemicals and excess fats out of your body. Oh. As soon as food is digested, nutrients start to work. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat get turned into energy. The amount of energy they supply is measured in calories. You use a lot of energy to run and play. You also use energy to stay warm, pump blood, breathe, think, heal, and grow. Carbohydrates should supply most of the energy your body uses. You can detect carbohydrates in food just by taste. Foods that taste starchy or sweet contain carbohydrates. Starchy foods give long-lasting energy. Sweet foods give quick boosts of energy. The energy from very sweet foods is used up very quickly. If you ate candy for breakfast, soon you would feel tired and hungry. A breakfast of whole grain cereal will keep you going till lunch. Protein supplies energy. It also builds and repairs your muscles, skin, brain, blood, bones, and internal organs. You get protein when you eat animal foods such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, and cheese. You also get protein from plants, the parts of a plant that can sprout and grow, such as seeds, dry beans, and peas, nuts, and grains, are good sources of protein. Just as an old-fashioned lantern burns oil, you burn fat for heat and energy. Fat also helps make food taste good, but it is easy to eat too much fat. Fat has more calories than the other parts of food. If you eat more calories than you need, the unused calories are turned into body fat. Eating too many fatty foods can make you heavier. Fat is in vegetable oil, butter, and cream. You can also see fat in the white and yellow parts of uncooked meat and chicken. Often you cannot see the fat you are eating. To find out where fat is hiding, get a large piece of paper, a pencil, and samples of foods. Rub a bit of food onto the paper. Label the spots as you go. Let the spots dry overnight. Hold your paper up to the light. Light will glow through the spots made by food containing fat. You don't need to worry about having too much water in your diet. Water is your body's main ingredient. 70% of your body, including your blood, saliva, tears, urine, and sweat, is made with water. Water escapes easily from your body. In a day, you lose 2 cups of water just by breathing. When you cry, go to the bathroom, and sweat, you lose even more water. But as it leaves your body, water carries out waste and cools you. These 2 pages are about vitamins and minerals. We'll come back to that. And these are more about minerals. We'll come back to that too. Food keeps you alive, healthy and strong. It gives you energy and makes you grow. Food is fun to make. And food is fun to eat. These are some recipes, and I'll put those on the Google Classroom for you as well.